Okay, mate. Um, yeah, AMP. I've quite a few mates actually who are big fans of this coin. At this point, obviously, it's just look at the state of it. It's kind of when you get this sort of pattern here, this rounding sort of pattern. Generally, I do like to see it break down. You know, so I wouldn't see myself buying it here. I could be wrong and maybe it'll push, but generally, when I see this sort of pattern, a lot of times there likes to be some sort of downward movement before moving up. That's a 2 week chart, so it's a tough one to buy. I feel like it needs more development. Um, like this is a good example, actually. It looks like it needs to drop down, take liquidity. Well, maybe not take liquidity, but drop down lower and then come back up, and take liquidity above. To me, it looks like it wants to come lower first on a new year before going higher again. Um, but overall, this can be a very powerful candle on a yearly basis and can be yearly wicks in an uptrend if all goes well. So a dip down, then pop up, flip green, and continue on its merry way. But at this point, for me, I just can't recommend buying it here. Um, I just don't really like the structure of it, and a lot of times when you get really bad structure like this, the market might want to just wash it out and flush it out. So my thoughts are just have some patience on it and wait for the new year dip. And if you get a new year dip, I'm going to set my alarm right here, right now, just at this pivot. Can it get down there? I'm not sure. But if we stop hunt this pivot right down here, then I would rather buy it right there.